Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech24, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech products. Today, we're taking a look at the HP 17 laptop, a powerhouse of a machine that's sure to take your computing experience to the next level. First off, let's talk about speed and storage. This laptop comes equipped with a whopping 32 GB of high-speed RAM, allowing you to seamlessly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. And with a massive 1TB signed M.2 solid-state drive, you'll experience lightning-fast bootup and data transfer. Under the hood, the HP 17 packs a punch with an 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1125G4 processor, delivering snappy performance and smooth multitasking. The 17 3-Quad HD display with anti-glare technology and 250 nits brightness offers a stunning visual experience for all your tasks and entertainment needs. In terms of connectivity, this laptop has you covered with a super speed USB Type-C port, 2 super speed USB Type-A ports, HDMI, and a headphone microphone combo. Plus, it's equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless wireless connectivity. And as a special bonus, when you purchase the HP 17 laptop through the link in the description, you'll also receive a KKE mousepad as part of our authorized bundle. Trust me, this laptop is a game changer for anyone looking for power, speed, and ample storage in a sleek package. So go ahead and click that link to take advantage of this incredible offer. Don't miss out on the HP 17 laptop. It's time to elevate your computing experience.